What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Ron Vlogs. We back at it again with yet another video. I'm sorry y'all for the wind noise. It might be a little windy. Well, it is super windy out here. I don't know if you guys can tell going out, but you can hear it in the phone speaker. But anyway, guys, so we're gonna get into it, right into it. I'm gonna get off the camera because I don't need to be in the video. But anyway, guys, we're gonna flip the camera right now. All right, y'all. So pretty much it's gonna be a very short video, but look at this view. Michigan out here flexing on the nation. What's up, Strat, man? But anyway, y'all. So basically, what this video is pretty much be about is basically the main topic of discussion, which is the diffuser. Everybody been waiting on me to post this, and here it is, you guys. The diffuser, you guys. It looks nasty, doesn't it? Freaking sick, 101. Let you guys get another view of it. There we go, up close. It's kind of filthy right now because I've been driving and stuff, and it's about to snow, I think. There it goes. Okay, now so we get into it, about the little description or whatever. So pretty much, I wanted to tell you guys where I got it from, but last time I told everybody where I got the lip from, I started recommending people to it. Or I got the custom lip from. Sorry for the wind noise, like I said previously. But I got the custom lip from. I told everybody about it. Everybody was like, "Oh man, why the fitment not like yours or whatever? How you make it fit?" And my DMs was jumping, bro. Like, and I don't feel like hearing that again, to be honest. But if you guys really want to know, DM me or on Instagram or PM me on Facebook or whatever. Just hit me up and I'll let you guys know. But I don't know, because I really want to be a one-on-one of this. I want to be the only person that have it. I know that's kind of like selfish or whatever. I found something and then not telling you. But close up of the diffuser. So this is what I was trying to get situated, you guys. You see how it's out right here? But it really doesn't move at all, so I don't really worry about it. But let me try to get this wind out here. But I am trying to figure out a way without drilling into the bumper of getting something to go right here so I can hold it against the bumper without having that little gap right there, and figure out something to put right here. That's the stuff I was trying to figure out, because it's like that on both sides. Both sides. But if you're just looking at the car from the rear, oh crap, you won't even notice it at all. It's just like a regular diffuser, like it was meant for the car. But if you guys are looking all over for diffusers and stuff for these cars, I measured it out, and that's how I got this one. I measured it out from here to there. From each exhaust tip, it's 37 inches. So you're looking and test fitting. I done been through a couple of them trying to figure out which one will fit and which one I like, and this one came out the way I wanted it. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. And also, this is like kind of like a mod update. So pretty much the only thing that we have done recently is we're still waiting on good weather, because as you can tell, there's still snow out here, and these potholes, if you are in Michigan, you already know about these potholes. But man, these things are treacherous, so I don't want to put the wheels on there yet, end up having to pay another wheel, because the wheels are, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, the price of them, they're $500 each. $500 each wheel. So I'm really not trying to pay for no brand new wheel. Forget that, man. But we are going 20s, so I'm just letting you guys know that them some hints right there. But anyway, you guys, so we also did as you can see, the sequential mirror lights. These just blink, and they are smoked, which I really love, because I tinted the other ones, and then after a couple washes and stuff, I don't go through car washes, so as you can see, that paint still miraculous. But I tinted this, and then after a while it started peeling off, so I'm so glad these are smoked. And let me know if you guys want a full detailed video about this. There is a guy that did a really good detailed video on it. And he did a really good job. That's how I was able to swap mine. May or may not be swapping these. The mirror caps to carbon fiber. Let me know in the comment section below you think I should do that. So just these to carbon fiber caps. They're not covers that stick right on here. They're actual caps. So taking this off and put another one on there. Let me know in the comment section below should I do that. Also, like I said, these are probably the last things I'm going to do to the car. Just get the level 3 tail lights and that'd be it. I thought about doing the reflectors. I tinted them for now, but I'm gonna probably do an install video because it seems pretty simple and straightforward. But everything seems pretty simple and straightforward, but it never end up going that way. So depending on how the install is, I'll upload it. But let me know if you guys want to see the install video of this. A lot of people pretty much do it, so I'm not really thinking about doing it. But if you guys want me to do it, I'll get out here and do it for y'all. But still waiting on them to come in. But once they come in, we will be installing them, and also we will be tinting them. That's the only reason I haven't tinted my tail lights yet, because I haven't got the level 3s, and I don't want to tint the tail lights and then have to re-tint the inners again once I get the level 3s. It just didn't make sense to me. And I'm still debating on the roof spoiler. I either go with the one off eBay or either the Stillen roof spoiler. I don't know yet, but I think I'm gonna just chill out like this, to be honest. Just get the level 3s and just be completely done with the car. But overall, she's looking mean. Love this thing, man. Couldn't recommend this car more. If you guys looking for a fast car, all-wheel drive, great in the snow, great daily driver, 400 horsepower with a few mods, perfect, man. Perfect car, man. Perfect car. And they're reliable. Look at that pick, man. I swear, now I'm actually realizing what people be saying on YouTube. Like, bro, the car look 10 times better in person than it does through the video. I mean, it looks sick, don't get me wrong, but it's just kind of dirty right now as I've been driving through this nasty weather. But that ceramic coating is holding up pretty well. That dude scared the mess out of me. I didn't even see him, y'all. I don't know if I recorded it or not, but a truck pulled up right behind me. I didn't even hear him. But anyway, y'all, I gotta start paying attention, bro, because I almost had to up there. All right, but anyway, y'all, I'm about to get out of here. But like I said, it was gonna be a short video. I'm sorry for the wet noise, but I want to get this video out here for y'all because y'all been begging me, blowing up my DMs, like, bro, get the video up, get the video up. Here y'all go. But anyway, y'all, yep, that's the few mods that I've done, and the mod that's upcoming, and also the main mod everybody care about is the diffuser. So that's that. Stay tuned for the next video of Von Vlogs TV. And we're almost at 500 subscribers, y'all. We're almost at 500 subs. So when we get to 500 subs, I'm thinking about maybe either a gift card for like a car part that you guys may want, or maybe some AirPods. Let me know what you guys want. Let me know in the comment section below, or hit me up on Instagram because I want to know what you guys think. It's either those two options, gift card or AirPods. Know what you guys will want. We ain't gonna do none of that little raffle crap. So pretty much how it will go is you guys will just follow me on my Instagram page, which is nemesis.sport, and then click done at the you're gonna comment done on the bottom of the video, and then I'm gonna just write down all the names, and then I'm gonna just do like Siri pick like a random number from how many ever people that entered, and then we're gonna do it like that, and then we're gonna announce the winner, and then we're just gonna send it to whoever won. So stay tuned for that. We only got, at this moment right now making this video, we're at 496 subscribers. So once we get the other 4, let me know in the comment section below what you guys will want. So that was a whole mouthful, but anyway, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned for the giveaway. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy and staying strong with your boy, even though the content's been like hit and miss, but I'm trying my best with work and everything. So see you guys in the next one. Peace. It's your boy Von Vlogs TV signing out. Don't ever forget, trust God, never lose faith, because He'll never lose faith and trust in you. Peace.